Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with a lovely hair tutorial from BGMgirlhair. So this wig is a body wave wear and go glueless HD lace closure 180% density wig. You guys, this wig is literally a throw on and go. The lace comes pre-plucked, the lace comes pre-bleached, the lace comes pre-cut. This is definitely one of those wigs that is easy and it is beginner friendly, requires no skills. It's extremely comfortable and it's super easy to take off, put on, and install and style. So if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then just continue to watch. So you guys already know I have to give you a very full unboxing. BGMgirl sent so many goodies along with this wig. They even sent some sunglasses as well as a bonnet. Like, how cute is that? Okay, so let's get into this wig. So once again, this wig is from BGMgirlhair. It is their body wave wear and go glueless HD lace closure 180% density wig. I believe I have this wig in 28 inches, but I will have the full details in the description box down below. Just so you guys know, this wig is a 3D dome cap, which means that it is very comfortable, it's stretchy, and it's breathable, and it could fit everyone's head, which is really good. The lace comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked as well. You guys will see a close-up of this lace. This lace is absolutely beautiful. This wig takes like 3 seconds to install. You do not need no glue, you do not need no gel. That way you're able to protect your edges and you can take the wig on and off as you please. Plus, I do want to let you guys know that this wig is an updated version of their 4x4. So they changed it to a 4x6. That way you're able to get a bigger lace. The lace is literally going to look like a full lace frontal, but it's only a 4x6. However, you're paying the price of a closure, okay? So you're getting that frontal look, but you're only paying the price of the closure. So BGMgirl definitely did their thing with this one. All right, time for the install, which is the fun part. So I'm just fitting the wig to my head, and as you guys can see, that lace was ready to melt. That lace said, "Let me shine, sis." Just so you guys know, the lace is a top HD Swiss lace, so it's able to melt with all skin tones. That's the good part. So I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb per usual, and we're gonna slick this baby back because I want her to be super flat at the top. So I decided I wanted to go in with a classic middle part. So being that I'm doing a middle part, I'm gonna go on each side, use my wax stick and my hot comb to once again lay that baby flat. And I do just want to say, I hope you guys could tell this on camera, that hair was super silky. I did not use any product in the hair whatsoever. That is the natural shine of the hair. Definitely top quality. And being that this is a body wave wig, the hair is so soft and it's so bouncy. And of course, you guys, it's 100% human hair. So this wig is literally like top notch and you're paying so much less than other brands. It's super affordable and very beginner friendly. Okay, the install portion is pretty much over. You guys see how easy that was? Now, if I wasn't recording, I would have thrown this wig on and just left the house. So I decided I want to use some curls because I want to take full advantage of that body wave texture. I did one side off camera, so now I'm just showing you guys exactly how I did the other side. The hair definitely took to the curling iron extremely well. And once again, I did not use any product such as holding spray or anything like that. I didn't use any of that in this hair. So the result is literally just showing how top quality the hair is in itself. I also want to say that BGMgirlhair really did a good job with this wig in itself, because this is the type of wig that I would immediately buy if I was just starting out, or y'all know me, I love me some glueless wigs, and the fact that you're able to take this off, the wig is breathable, is going to last a whole lot longer because you don't have to go through the issue of spray and glue and all that good stuff. This wig is literally every girl's dream, okay? So I would definitely recommend it, and plus it's giving you that frontal feel, but it's just a closure and they're only making you pay the price of a closure wig. So remember that. Definitely a good one. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my wax stick just to get rid of any flyaways. And you guys, look at that lace. That lace looks so freaking good. And remember, I didn't have to do any plucking. The wig came like that. I didn't do any plucking whatsoever. I only bleached the knots, and I only had to bleach the knots for like 20 minutes. But other than that, I ain't had to do no work, girl. So now that all my curls are done, I'm just going to go in with a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to gently and slowly comb the curls out because I want it to have that effortless body wave type of look, you know? Alrighty, you guys, that is it for the tutorial. Look how beautiful this hair came out. This was so easy to install. BGMgirl hair, you guys did your thing with this one. The fact that the wig literally came ready to go, ready to literally throw on and go out the door. I'm in absolute love. So to everyone who watches my wig tutorials, please go ahead and check them out. This is definitely one of those wigs that I will 100% say it is worth it. All the information will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you, and I will see you next time.